Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create organic, rustic ceiling logs. We've designed similar logs in past videos, particularly for this beautiful rustic kitchen. If you haven't watched those videos yet, make sure to check them out. We created this entire kitchen from start to finish, including the final renderings. So, before diving into this tutorial, I highly recommend watching those first to get the full picture. Crafting these organic, rustic logs is a simple yet creative process. It all starts with the custom modeling tool, which allows you to experiment with different shapes and truly bring your vision to life. Let's first access the custom modeling tool. Begin by drawing a basic rectangle. This will serve as the foundation for your log. Next, draw a curved line on top of the rectangle to mimic the natural form of a log. To achieve this, use the Bezier Curves tool. Keep the shape organic and free-flowing. It doesn't need to be perfect. From the side panel, adjust the tessellation ratio to control the smoothness or sharpness of your curve. This step is entirely up to you. Design the shape to match your style. Extend the line downwards to create a mirrored effect on the bottom. You can make it identical to the top, or keep it slightly different for a more natural appearance. If you want an even more organic look, draw chaotic, freeform lines to capture the randomness of real wood. Once your log shape is drawn, remove any unnecessary lines or duplicate parts to create a new variation. You now have a 2D log shape. Rotate it 90 degrees so it's easier to visualize the next steps. Use the push/pull tool to extrude the shape into a 3D form. Adjust the depth of the log as needed, but don't worry too much about this now. You can scale it later. To make the log look more natural, we need to round out the edges. Use the Bevel 3D tool. Select all edges by double-clicking on one line or manually selecting each edge. If you get an error about the corner radius being too large, reduce the value. Start with 0.1. If that doesn't work, lower it to 0.05 or 0.04. Once applied, the edges will be smooth and rounded, giving the log a realistic, hand-carved appearance. Important step here is creating a continuous surface for texturing. A double-click on one face to select all connected faces. Use the Make Continuous Face Group option. This will ensure a smooth texture application. Now that the log is fully shaped, it's time to apply a wood texture. Choose from the default material library or upload a custom texture if you have a specific wood type in mind. The Coohom material library offers a wide selection of wood textures, so explore the options. Use the right panel to fine-tune the texture. Adjust the scale, larger or smaller wood grain. Modify the angle and tiling pattern for a more natural look. Keep the mapping style set to plain for the best control. Final step, grouping and scaling. Group the log so it becomes a single movable object. Now, scale it to your desired size. If you want multiple logs, you can copy and duplicate them. For a more organic aesthetic, create slight variations instead of using identical copies. Refining the design. If you have any leftover shapes, don't delete them just yet. Instead, duplicate and flip them to create a new log variation. Merge the pieces, remove unnecessary lines, and repeat the extrusion and beveling process. By the end of this process, you'll have beautifully organic, natural-looking ceiling logs that add warmth and authenticity to any rustic design. Feel free to experiment with different shapes, sizes, and materials to achieve the perfect look. This tutorial was inspired by a viewer request, and I always love helping you bring your designs to life. If you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below, and I'll make a tutorial for you. For those of you who haven't tried Coohom yet, now is the perfect time. Check the link below for an exclusive 72% discount on all popular plans, an opportunity to upgrade your design workflow at an unbeatable price. Don't miss out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Up next, I'll be showing you how to create a fully customized kitchen island top, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.